With the U.S. currently producing more oil than it imports, the prospects for even more domestic production are good, perhaps enough to begin exporting again to the rest of the world. That's causing a tug of war between energy producers and oil refiners. What does all that mean for consumers? Jackie DeAngelis reports.
Boomtown, USA. It's here and here and here. Shale oil will push U.S. oil production to highs not seen since 1971, so says the International Energy Agency. And analysts say U.S. energy independence is on the horizon, the year 2020. Increased production is driving up supply. The upside for consumers, lower oil prices, maybe cheaper gas, maybe lower heating bills. We may even have more energy than we need, which has led to a debate over what to do with the excess supply. Energy producers hoping to find more buyers and higher prices are lobbying the Obama administration to lift a ban on U.S. exports put in place during the Arab oil embargo back in 1973. Domestic refiners who buy crude oil are pushing back.
The debate over crude oil exports is one about dividing up the pie between the crude oil producers and the oil refiners.
Andy Lipow is an oil industry consultant who says that domestic refiners are enjoying an advantage right now because the supply of domestic crude is up, making it relatively cheap compared to global oil prices.
If the U.S. were to allow crude oil exports, I expect that the domestic crude oil price is going to rise to world oil levels.
Some experts say it's way too soon to be having this debate. The U.S. is still importing roughly 7 million barrels of oil every day, just under the 8 million that it produces on its own, making the export debate a non-starter.
We are still a long way off from oil independence. One of the things that we do have to look forward to is U.S. production combined with Canada and increases in Mexico could make North America oil independent.
Traders are also saying that global crude prices, now above $90 a barrel, would have to come back down close to $70 a barrel, so the markets could absorb a spike in price. In the meantime, producers will continue to battle with refiners as both sides look for ways to turn black gold into cash. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.